Yesterday gold didn't move too much. We can see it was created a bullish candle with the wick on the upper side, similar on the wick on the lower side, which means there was fight between the buyers and the sellers, and the price could not succeed to move in any of the directions, making significant moves. We can see that here, and especially if we move to the lower time frame like a 4-hour time frame. Yesterday in the morning, the price has formed this small bullish breakout above this area of resistance 4105.86, and the price continued to rise in value up to 4145.86. From there, the price has retraced back down. Yesterday I have shared with the traders inside the premium analysis this information about the bullish breakout, where the target was here, and we can see the price has reached this level of resistance. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see that easily how the price has behaved. This bullish breakout has been shared and the price has reached this area of resistance, and from there the price could not manage to go further up, but it has retraced back down all the way to the daily support 4105.86. Yesterday I have mentioned that there is a resistance support that needs to be broken in order to allow the price to move in any of the directions. This was here yesterday, the resistance level that needs to be broken in order to allow the price to move to the higher price levels. Or on the lower side, we had this area 4073.42, where the target would be 4040.85. We can see that yesterday the price could not manage to make a bearish breakout below this area of support. We can see that 3 times the price has touched it, and after that the price has retraced back up, forming a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, indication of the further rise in value. After that, the price had small problems going further up. It has gone down, retracing, and then continue up, and then finally found enough support. The buyers have pushed the price higher and reached this area of resistance. But we can see the resistance is stronger than the buying pressure, so the price has retraced back down, where the current support is holding for several times, where the price has touched it first time, second time, now it's third time, not allowing the price to move further up, or further down. Here we have also a bearish engulfing candle, suggesting further decline, and the price has reached that target as a support level. Now we need to wait the similar scenario as yesterday. We still need to wait until the price makes a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, which would allow the price to reach higher price levels, which means a daily resistance 4188.33. Below that, if the price retraces back down, which means making a bearish breakout below this area of support, the next target is 4073.42, like we have seen where the price has reached yesterday. And if the price makes a bearish breakout, the target would be 4040.85. So the scenario is similar like yesterday, except yesterday the price was below this area of resistance. Now it is above this area of support. It is the same line. So the price didn't move too much. That's why I have told you that on the daily time frame we have a candle body, a bullish candle body with a wick on the upper side, a wick on the lower side, similar sides and then the length, which means the buyers and sellers have pushed the price in their directions, but the price could not make significant move. But the day has closed as a bullish candle because the start of the day the price was down, and it has closed the day above this area of currently acting as a support for 105.86. Where I'm inclined where the price could go during the day, well, especially on the daily time frame, it is indecision. On the 4-hour time frame, what I can see currently, it is bullish because the price has formed a bullish breakout. And on the 1-hour time frame, we can see the price is pushing the sellers are pushing the price down on this support level, which means there is more selling pressure than there is currently buying. So there is potentially that price could also make a small breakout to the downside. But market can move in any of the directions. Today is a Friday, so be careful about that, especially in the afternoon when there is potentially higher volatility and the traders get out from their trades, locking their profits, which could also lead to significant moves in any of the directions. For now, let's wait, and especially Friday, I am staying outside of the trading, especially in the afternoon. If there is any kind of a breakouts, it will be in the morning and also before the noon. So to catch any of the trades that is possible, any of the breakouts. If you would like to receive the updates, feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, Click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.